What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Coach Plugged In channel. You are here with the one and only Coach K. No, I'm just playing, but today we're talking about something new. We're talking about the iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard for the iPad, and we're talking about if I'm going to use it. I bought it, it's here, and it derailed all of my plans for this channel. I think all of my content from here on out is gonna come from this iPad Pro. Right now, I'm gonna be switching from my MacBook to the iPad Pro, and I wanna take you guys on that journey. So with that being said, let's plug in. All right, so this device that I hold in my hand, the iPad Pro with this Magic Keyboard, see the little floating mechanism, but this keyboard right here has made me think that I can turn the iPad Pro into an actual computer. Now I know before we could do emailing, we could do documents, and all we really had to do was have a keyboard, have a mouse. When they updated iOS, we have a mouse and a trackpad and all that stuff right there. But having it all in one single device changes the game. Now, it is expensive, it is heavy, and this actually is not a review. I'm actually gonna link some of my favorite YouTubers down below that have actually reviewed this product already, because they did an excellent job of it. And I want you guys to go and show their pages some love. So I'm gonna link up some of my favorite tech YouTubers and people who have already reviewed this product down below. But I'm specifically talking about the people who have reached out to me and asked me if the iPad with a keyboard is the right way to go for school, for business, for coaching, for whatever it is. I've had people ask me, hey, should I get the iPad? Should I get the new keyboard for it? And for me to answer the question to you is look at some of those reviews that I've put down below. Look at some of those reviews. But for me, I'm gonna be using this iPad Pro with this keyboard for the duration. For the duration, I'm gonna be using this as my computing device. I've tried it out over the last couple days already. I can tell you I'm gonna be making a video about how I use this iPad for video editing with this keyboard, and it's completely changed how I edit videos. Being able to go on that trackpad, pinch to zoom, I can scrub the timeline with 2 fingers. It's changed a lot of things for me, especially when you now have the keyboard shortcuts, all of that right there, right at your hands. I can use this on a couch, I can use this at a table, I can use it at a coffee shop whenever we can go back there. I can use it at my desk, I can plug it up to my monitor. This technically to me looks and feels like a computer, like a laptop, like my MacBook. So I'm going to start using this, and I'm gonna be giving you guys updates on me and my iPad only journey, because I really want to see if I can use this on the everyday basis. So I'm not gonna keep you guys here long today. Make sure you like the channel, comment, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you stay tuned for this journey that I'm about to take, because this is gonna be interesting. Right here, I have the 2018 model iPad Pro. So that's the best part about this keyboard. It works with the 2018 model and the 2020 model. So I have the 2018 model here with 256 gigabyte. And this keyboard, it's really changed the way I interact with my iPad. I can honestly say that I feel like I can type. I'm not a perfect typer. I can, do the occasional typing when I'm doing my documents, or I'm typing up scripts, or typing up scouting reports, or whatever I'm doing, or emails. But this made me feel like I could type. The last time I had a keyboard that was this functional was back in 2015. That was back before Apple switched their keyboards over to the butterfly keyboard. And a lot of people aren't a fan of the butterfly keyboard. Other than the sound, it doesn't really bother me. I've never had a problem with my keyboard, malfunctioning or anything like that right there, but the sound is really loud and it's really super clicky in a lot of ways, and it doesn't have a whole lot of feedback on the click itself. But this keyboard here has made me feel like it is a new keyboard all over. It's nothing like the Smart Folio. It's nothing like the current MacBook that I have. So I really want to try this out. And then also for a lot of people who have said, you know, don't get this keyboard right here, you know, opt into getting like the Folio and then getting like the actual trackpad from Apple. But if you compare the prices, if you buy these products brand new, they almost come out to the same price depending on which trackpad you get and which size keyboard you get, Folio keyboard you get. So make sure you guys look at the description below and look at some of those other reviews to decide what you want to do. But for the people who specifically asked me about this device and about using the keyboard with the iPad Pro, I'm going to be giving you answers real soon. So that's all I really have for you guys today. I hope you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you today for plugging in. This is Coach K. Peace.